Oi, what up? It is your boy Slasher back again on to raid with $1,000 in today's video, guys. And if you want to have some free money on to raid and as well join my leaderboard, click at the deposit right here and then use the promo code SLASHY right here, big letters, and apply it and add duration of 7 days. By applying that code, you get free cases and a 5% deposit bonus, and as well you can check out my leaderboard right here. I'm hosting a 2K leaderboard every fucking week. Okay, so we're gonna do some case battles today, boys. So let's see here what's going on. Let's see here. Okay, so we're just gonna pop in here a little bit. Some $50 cases right here. We're gonna add up the crunchy, and then yeah, like this, dude. I don't even care like this. I don't even know, guys. Tell me which cases is the best on rain. I don't even know. Like some cases is really good, some cases are really bad. Oh, I was really thirsty. Oh, I was really thirsty, guys. You know, as a gambling addict, you have to drink much alcohol. You have to like smoke. I like this stuff, you know. It is really important. Oh, bro, you pull a Glock fade. Fuck you, scam me in the first battle, dude. Oh my god, this is so bad. Fighta också. Fitt för tandgranat. Fitt för tandgranat. Oh, and he's pulling all the time. Yeah, you're pulling the little pulleys. Yeah. Jag ska knusa dig. Du mår kidden med mig. Oh, jävla drättsäck. Oh my god. Wait. How? Okay, let's see here, boys. Okay, wait. Let me see here 1 second right now. Bro, that paid so much. I would do jackpot so I have some chance, you know, to fucking get something here right now, boys. Yeah, but as well on Slasher Rewards you can see it live as well, the leaderboard, so make sure to check that out, boys. I'm just gonna see here one little last one. No, wait, we're gonna do one after this and then the last one, you know. Okay, vamos a la playa. Okay, here we go. That's shitty. That's so bad. Go down! Go down! No, dude, you should go down. Men vad fan är det här alltså? Jävla idioter jävlar alltså. Jag blir så jävla trött på de här. Why we lose? And yes, no copyright music right here. Because if we do like copyright music, then the Matrix is coming and attacking us. Like a ship! Yes! Come on, Rain, you know much for me. You understand me? I do all coke. Let's go, baby. No, wait, they pull again. No. Oh. Okay. We have 57, we have like 60%. Yes! Let's go HD. HD is the special hole. That's good, guys. That's so good. We gotta keep it right there. That is so good. Let's go. Then I have some lunch money today. That's pretty good. Now Monte Carlo is really expensive living, I swear. Monte Carlo is really expensive. Oh shit, I don't even have enough. I don't even know. I need to take a bank loaning. Oh, one more. Then here then. Great. What the fuck? Okay, let's see, boys. Come on now. Oh, someone other joined. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Show me the money. Show me the money. What is going on? Why is it loading? Well, I think I get matrix attack. No. It's loading. Shitty. Fuck. Nay. Oh. What happened now? Histories. Where is my history? Where's my battle, boys? Where's my battle? Men vad fan tog min battle i vägen nu då? Vad fan är min battle? It's so warm. I cannot breathe. Men vad fan är min battle då? Jävla dumma CP-skit alltså. Jag blir så jävla förbannad, ska ni veta alltså. Is this my battle? Nej, men vad fan är den då? Here is my battle. Yeah. What happened even? Come on. Is it working this? What's going on? Men hallå, vad är det för fel på den här jävla skiten nu då? Oh. Yeah. Fuck fans. Yeah. Okay, let's see your mental monkey. Mental? You trash. You so trash, mental. Okay. Let's see what we ended up with. 1,600 close to, so that's good, guys. I'm gonna end the video right now because I don't want to lose my house. But yeah, guys, remember to use the code ZLASHY on Terrain if you want to try it out and get some 5% deposit bonus and some free cases. And as well, guys, you can join my leaderboard at ZLASHYrewards.com. That's all, guys. Remember, and as well to join my 2000 leaderboard here. You can see it when you're using the code ZLASHY. It will count on it. So yeah, boys, peace out. See you on the next one. Ciao.